If you think AB 2016 means that you can skip probate, sell the house fast, and avoid the entire process, that's not exactly how it works. And getting this wrong can cost you time, money, and serious frustration. There's a lot of confusion around AB 2016, especially when it comes to selling a home during probate here in California. Many people believe it's a shortcut for homes under a certain value. But here's the truth. Misunderstanding this can delay your sale, create legal issues, and cost the estate thousands of dollars. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm breaking down what AB 2016 actually does and what it does not do. Hey there and welcome back. I'm Gary DeGrazia, and I've been helping families like yours sell homes during probate in California for over 20 years. And one of the biggest misconceptions I hear over and over again is about AB 2016 and this idea that there's a simple under $750,000 shortcut. Well, today I'm going to break it down clearly so you understand exactly how this actually works. AB 2016 lets you avoid probate completely. That's a myth. AB 2016 does not eliminate probate. What it does is expand access to simplified procedures for certain estates, but that still often involves a court process, especially when there's real estate involved. Most homes in California, even under $750,000, still requires probate or a court petition before they can be transferred or sold. This is not a skip probate law. If the home is under $750,000, you can sell it immediately. No, that's not actually true, and that's not how AB 2016 works. You cannot sell a probate property until you have the legal authority to do so. That means you need certified letters or a court-approved process if using a simplified procedure. No authority equals no valid sale. I've seen deals fall apart because someone tried to move forward before having that legal authority in place. $750,000 automatically qualifies the property for a simplified process. No, that's not the truth. The $750,000 number relates specifically to probate thresholds and procedures, but it does not automatically qualify the estate. It does not eliminate court involvement. It depends on how title is held, debts, and total estate structure. Qualification is case specific. Two homes with the exact same value can have completely different probate paths depending upon the situation. AB 2016 makes probate sales fast. No, even in the best case scenario, probate timelines are measured in months, not weeks. Here's your typical expectations. 4 to 6 months, that's the fast scenario. 6 to 12 months or more is more common for your general probate process. The sale itself can happen much earlier once authority is granted. So if you wait thinking everything happens at the end, well, you're losing time, you're losing money, and the estate is still paying all of the expenses. And here's the part most people don't understand. The probate case may take months, but the home can often be sold and closed much earlier once the personal representative is approved and receives the certified letters. The proceeds are simply held in the estate bank account until the end of probate, which is called final distribution. And this is where experience matters. I've seen families wait, delay, and make decisions based on bad information when they could have already had the property sold and money secured for the estate. So, AB 2016 doesn't eliminate probate. It doesn't generate a fast sale. And it definitely doesn't apply the same way to every property. What it does is it creates options, but only if you understand how to use them. If you're dealing with a home during probate and you want to understand your options the right way, I put together a free probate home sales kit that walks you through all of your options. It walks you through the timeline, what to expect, and how to avoid costly mistakes. You can click the link in the description below and request that free probate real estate kit right now, and I'll have it prepared and FedEx directly to your door. And if this helped you, go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe and share this with someone who's going through probate right now. Because the truth is, this process is already hard enough. You shouldn't have to figure it out with bad information.